Hey guys, Andres here. We're going to work on today on how to replace a garden faucet. So this one here has been there for 20 years and I just want to replace it before anything goes bad. So to start, we're going to remove that screw right here and the screw on the right. A link to all of these items can be found under the description. The line that supplies the water to the outside is this one right here. It's a 1/2 inch copper line. Now by code, every outside faucet should have a closing valve. And this one is the one that we need to close. And we're going to close it by turning it all the way to the right. Now we're just going to remove the current hose. And at the same time, we're going to open the faucet all the way to the right. And we just want to make sure that there's no water. That way when we cut the line in the back, we're good to go. Okay guys, so now we're going to cut the copper and we're going to use our copper tool that we have for a 1/2 inch to be able to do this. Using the orange disconnect clip, we're going to insert it and press, and at the same time we're going to push and pull the copper out. Now we're going to remove the white plastic, and the piece right there that we just disconnected from is a 3/8 push to connect that I used to fit my fridge. For anyone who have never seen the push to connect system, they just look like this. You pretty much use your PETs or your copper and you just push right in, and that creates a tight seal and you're good to go. Now we're going to use a Phillips head to be able to remove the 2 screws in the faucet. Once both screws are out, we'll be able to just grab, twist, and pull out. What we are doing now is measuring the copper's length that we just removed. And because we are installing a push to connect system, you want to add at least 2 inches to that measurement that we just got. On the left hand side, we have our old water faucet. In the right hand side, we have the new water faucet, which is a 1/4 turn, which is pretty cool because you just have to turn a 1/4 turn instead of turning for water. Now we're going to grab our PETs and press on our faucet and put it back to the same place. Inside, we're going to get our PETs and we're going to use the same method, the push to connect. And we want to make sure that it goes all the way in. So it's okay if you try a couple times just to make sure that the PET has gone all the way in. Right before we finish, we want to dry everything. That way we can check once we turn on the water for leaks later on. By turning left our water valve, we're making sure that we're getting water again in this line. We're almost there. We just need to make sure we put our screws back. Then we get to turn our water on, check for leaks, and if everything looks good, we're done. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.